We have our unshaped high-power model built, and before we go any farther, I want to divide this model up into layers. To help me see everything more clearly, I'm going to come up to the top of the program and turn off the rendering. Now I can jump over to the Layer Management panel, and the icon for that is on the model environment about halfway down. It's this single sheet or single layer as viewed from an ISO view. Go ahead and click on that, and now I'm in the Layer Management panel. As you can see, everything defaults to a layer 0 until you go in and create your own layers. I'm going to set 5 or 6 layers right now to make sure I have this structure organized properly. So to create a layer, all we need to do is click Make or hit Enter since it's highlighted in blue, and run down and create our layers and give our layers names. So my first layer is going to be for our fixed nodes, so I'm going to call this Fixed Nodes. Hit Enter to get another layer. Our second layer is going to be for the struts. Next layer, I'm going to set, I'll set my edge cables. Next layer will be for the tie cables. Layer after that, I'll do my fabric. And one more layer for my geodesics. Now that we've created each layer, let's run through these and assign all of our components. I'm going to jump back up to layer 1 for my fixed nodes, click Assign, and then you select what type of element you want to select and how you want to select it. That's why we have up here Type and Method. So to do my fixed nodes, what I'm going to select is Nodes, and the method I'm going to do Individual. Now I'm going to run through here and I'm going to click on each one of my fixed nodes individually because I don't have that many. Once I've selected them, right click to get out of the command. They are now assigned to my fixed nodes. With that done, now all I need to do is hit Enter to drop down to my next layer, which is struts. Now I'm going to go Assign Struts All. They get assigned white. I know they're on that layer. Hit Enter, drop down to edge cables. For this one, I'm going to go Assign Cables, and this time I'm going to use String. And what String allows me to do is I can select the first element and the last element in a run, and it jumps in and selects all of them for me. Now I'm going to right-click and go through and do all 4 sides here real quick. Not at a very good angle for this one, but it works. All right, now I have all of my edge cables assigned. Let's go to my tie cables. For that, I'm going to go Cables Individually, select that one, right-click again. You can see they're highlighted in white. Hit Enter, drop down to Fabric. For this, I'm going to go Assign Membrane All. Membrane becomes highlighted in white. Hit Enter, drop down, and again, I'm going to go Assign, select my Geodesics All. The geodesics become highlighted in white. Now we can run through our layers one by one and make sure we have everything assigned properly. I'm just going to click back up on layer 1 and then hit Enter each time to drop to the next layer. So I've got my fixed nodes, struts, edge cables, tie cables, membrane, geodesics. I can go ahead and click Finished. Now we have all of our layers created and all of our elements properly assigned to each layer.